Hey guys, I'm David with the Sephora Pro Team.
Hi guys, I'm Harmony, a color merchant at Sephora, and we are back to talk you through your September Play by Sephora box. And this month's theme is Next Gen Beauty. As you and I know, innovation is a huge trend right now. So we're going to talk you through some amazing beauty products that have hybrid abilities, amazing ingredient stories, and lots of benefits.
And don't forget, guys, there are multiple versions of each box every month. So you're not going to be getting everything that you see here today. I think you guys know that by now. But you are going to be getting a great selection of products. So let's jump in.
Yay.
What exactly are we doing right now? Okay, guys, let's talk about makeup. So maybe you're feeling like your look could use a modern update. So what we're seeing as the latest makeup trends is basically a stepping up of these standard formulas of products. So what you're gonna get in your box are items that are more than what they seem. So primers that do more than just a little bit of a prep, right? Lipsticks that look gorgeous and hydrate the lips as well. Mascaras that add that volume, but also nurture your lashes. So now you guys kind of get the theme of where we're going here. So we're gonna jump in and we're gonna talk about some of these exceptional products.
Okay, so first up, we have a product from Makeup Forever. This is the Ultra HD Perfector Skin Tint Foundation. Has an SPF 25. And based on your play profile, you'll get a shade specific to you. And the texture is just something super innovative. So when we're talking about innovation, you literally can add it to your foundation. You can wear it alone. The silica pigments blur all imperfections. It's just truly a beautiful product.
It is.
Yeah. Okay, so next up, we have a product from Marc Jacobs Beauty. And this is the Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon in the shade Earthquake. So it's this beautiful, like, rich brown shade. And I know you were telling me earlier today, don't be afraid of brown. It's
Love a brown.
But this innovative formula is amazing. It's super creamy, as you can see when you put it on.
Yeah.
But then you have about 15 seconds of playtime, so you can smoke it out.
Buff
you
it
can do
out.
whatever you want with it. And then it sets.
Yes.
And it's there with you all day long.
Doesn't move.
Yeah, it's an amazing formula. I love this product.
Okay, so up next we have from Marc Jacobs Beauty, and this is their lipstick. This is the Le Marc Lip Cream in the beautiful shade of Boy Gorgeous. So this is a fantastic lipstick. I'm obsessed with this color. We put it on you.
I know. Boy, don't I look gorgeous.
Boy, don't you look gorgeous. Boom, boom. I am in love with this color. It's a beautiful berry shade, slightly a little bit pinkier than normal berry shades.
But I love it.
Gives it a brightness to it that I think is really wearable on almost all skin shades. It is a hydrating formula, guys. This is filled with cocoa butter. It makes those pigments go on super smooth. They have a natural sort of satin, although I would say it's more like a natural matte satin kind of finish to it. One swipe, the pigment is beautiful for 10 hours of wear. I'm gonna show you guys really quick. I mean, you saw how I was like barely touching it. Full pigmentation. So this is a fantastic lipstick. Get into this formula, guys. Okay, so up next we have another great product from Marc Jacobs Beauty. This is the Shameless Youthful Look 24-Hour Foundation. Now we're gonna be sending out 5 shades of this, and you will be getting the shade that is dependent upon your play profile quiz. This is a new formula from them. It is incredible. Medium coverage, but buildable. So you could sheer it down, you could build it up. It is oil-free and it is weightless, guys. And I mean that. It does not feel like anything is on your skin. Your skin just looks flawless. And here's the innovation in this. There is an SPF of 25 that is encapsulated in the pigments. You do not have to worry about any flashback at all. So this is perfect for your selfies and all those other things that you do with your foundation. You're gonna love it.
All right, and so next up we have the Nude Sticks Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil, and it's in this beautiful shade called Kiss. That's this gorgeous, like, rosy shade.
Beautiful.
And it's such a multitasker. Lips, cheeks, you can put it anywhere, and it has this really beautiful hydrating formula for a matte formula that's super comfortable on.
Yes.
And it's really cool because you guys actually on the Beauty Insider community chose this shade, so that's really, really awesome.
You're getting what you asked for.
There you go.
And it's a good one. Okay, so up next, we have from Sephora Collection, this is the Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. Now, if you've ever played with the Lashcraft formula before, you'll know it's a fantastic formula known for not creating clumps. They've done it again, but this time with a volumizing mascara. One of the things that I do love about this is it is filled with jojoba oil. So what that is gonna do is that's actually going to nurture your lashes and condition them, but that's also the key ingredient and what keeps it from getting flaky, smudgy, or even clumping. So big volume, no clumps. This is a great, great mascara.
All right, and next we have Stellar's Brilliant Primer, and this is a beautiful lightweight formula. It's enriched with essential oils, so it's got good for you ingredients, and it has this really unique lavender light pink tone when you put it on.
A little color correcting.
Exactly, so it'll give you a little bit of brightness, and then also you can wear it alone if you want to, just because it'll give you that all over blurred out look.
Yep.
Or you could put it on the high points of your face as like a little bit of a light highlighter as well.
Absolutely.
Multitasker.
Okay, guys, so up next we have from Too Faced. This is the Hangover Replenishing Primer. This is a fantastic primer. It is a hydrating primer filled with coconut water, which we know is
I know you're a fan of that.
Huge fan of coconut water. And what I love about this primer is that it goes on, it does everything that you want from a primer. It smooths the skin, it preps it for makeup, but it really does infuse your skin with a plumping, hydrating effect.
Wow.
So it's fantastic, especially for if you love that matte finish foundation. I find that using a primer like this, that's not an oil-based hydrator, it really allows your skin to remain plump and hydrated even though you have that matte foundation on. So it's a great primer to use in any case, any skin type. Love this.
Love it. So one of the biggest areas where we do see innovation first is skincare.
Always.
And so we have some amazing things, whether it's serums that are multitaskers, hydrating weightless water creams.
Yep.
We have a lot of great products to go through with you. All right, so the first product that we'll talk about is the Boscia Cactus Water Moisturizer.
Great.
So this is an amazing innovation. It uses Queen of the Night cactus to help retain moisture. It's a beautiful weightless water cream and also has a peptide complex to help plump and improve elasticity over time.
Oh, I'm gonna have to take that one home and try it.
There we go. So when I see it missing later on, I'm
You'll
like,
know
David,
where
to
it
go.
went. It's in my back pocket. Okay, guys, so up next we have from Clinique. This is the Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly.
It's not yellow. Okay.
The Dramatically Different collection, been around for a while. This is a new addition to it. This is a lightweight, oil-free, super quick absorbing moisturizer. It has what Clinique is calling Clean Shield technology.
Okay.
So what that means is that it's gonna supply your skin with all the hydration you need, but also create a barrier to protect it from pollution and environmental stressors. So it's kind of like hydration and your shield, right? At the same time, and my shield, my superhero shield. So fantastic new addition. I think you're gonna love it. Exceptionally good for oily skin complexions. Up next, we have from Ulla Hendrickson, a classic, the Truth Serum. Now, I think this was next gen before next gen was around.
Completely.
This is a vitamin C serum, also filled with collagen, and it is gonna do everything that you want vitamin C to do, right? We know the key is a BLT, a brighten, lighten, and tighten. So it's the key to youthful looking skin. It is a super effective formula. It is packed with tons of other things that are great, like orange extracts and aloe juice. It's just really hydrating, softening, refining. It's a fantastic serum, especially if you want to delve into vitamin C for the first time, or if you love vitamin C and you want a great product.
Love that. All right, and so the next product we're going to talk about is the Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral-Rich Atomic Heat Mask. And this is a beautiful mask that uses Hungarian thermal water to kind of enrich with nutrients, and it helps with fine lines and wrinkles, plumps, just everything that you'd want in a mask. And you literally apply it for like about 3 minutes, add some water to it and start emulsifying it, and it starts to heat up. So it's like a really lovely spa experience at home.
Oh, I love that.
Yes, no, it's a beautiful mask.
Up next, we have Sunday Riley, and this is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. So I'm really into water creams right now. They're a great way to get hydration without any weight on the face. And this one in particular uses 2 forms of hyaluronic acid, which means you're getting a lot of hydration, as well as a papaya enzyme in here. So what that's gonna do is that's going to gently and slowly exfoliate the skin while you're wearing it, so that you're getting younger, fresher skin that's hydrated. So overall, it's just a general, beautiful, youthful complexion. Okay, guys, so let's check out the bonuses for this month. First up, we have from Belief, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Next, we have Nomade Eau de Parfum by Chloe.
Then we have Amazing Grace Ballet Rose by Philosophy. From Tom Ford, we have Black Orchid Eau de Parfum. And then from Victor and Rolf, we have Flower Bomb Nectar Eau de Parfum Intense. And talking about innovation, check out our new bag.
Yay! It has arrived.
I know. So recyclable, reusable, 100% adorable.
Yes.
And also, utilize your playbook, you guys. This is going to have tips, tricks, hacks, all sorts of things to really get the most out of the products you receive in your box. And special for this month, our Play Pass is available to use either online or in store. And don't forget, it's 50 extra Beauty Insider points with purchase.
Now, continue to share your unboxing videos because we all love to see them. I love to see what you guys are really excited about. There's also the comment section below, which is a great place to talk with us as well as the other viewers on what you're looking forward to. And if you're gonna tag anything on social media, especially what you're gonna do with these new bags, use the hashtag Sephora Play so we all can see and learn from you. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, wait, are we ready to go?
Action.
I like to hear the word action.
Okay. Action.
You can't giggle when she says action.
I'm sorry.
I forgot to swatch any products, by the way. I just literally totally forgot to swatch. I'm like, I'm not swatching anything.
Okay.
She's swatching everything, I'm swatching nothing.
And from Victor and Rolf, we have a flower bomb.
I was right on the butter, just wrong in the cream and the cocoa. But I figured you'd edit it out for me. Make me sound smart. There's not a lot to work with. Not a lot. You got one strand of hair. You better backcomb that into a bouffant, girl. That's all I'm saying. I did not say don't forget.
One person forgot.
Was it me?
I giggled a little bit because I heard it and I was
Oh,
like,
it
I
was me.
can't
What
look
did
her
I
in the
say?
eye right now.
And guys, don't forget your Play Pass. It's 50 extra Beauty Insider points with a purchase when you take it in store. Is the Boscia Cactus water cream. It's not water cream.
It's not. I didn't realize cactuses were slathering on moisturizer
It's
in the
really
desert.
hard. It's really hard for them because they got all the prickles all over.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
Boom, boom.
Da, da,
Try
da, da.
the veal. It's a 2-drink minimum to see harmony in her show.